jullie wel. Thank you. Tell you a little story and it won't take long about a lazy farmer who wouldn't hoe his corn. The reason why I never could tell, for that young man was always well. He planted his corn in the month of June, and by July it was up to his eyes. Come September came a big frost, and all the young man's corn was lost. His courtship had just begun. They said, young man, have you hoed some corn? Well, I tried and I tried and I tried in vain, but I don't believe I raised one grain. He went downtown to his neighbor's door, where he had often been before. Sing, pretty little miss, will you marry me? Little miss, what do you say? She said, why do you come for me to wait? You can't even make your own cornbread. Single I am, and will we make? A lazy man I won't maintain. He turned his back and walked away, saying, little miss, you'll rue the day. You rue the day that you were born, for giving me the devil 'cause I wouldn't hoe corn. Dank jullie wel.
This next tune is one that I suggested to the chaps. It was one of my favorite songs that Chris Stapleton did. Although it was, I think it was a cover of it. He did a cover of this song. So this is Tennessee Whiskey. used to spend my nights out in the barroom. Liquor was the only love that I've known. But you rescued me from drinking from the bottle, brought me back from being too far gone. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. Honey, I'll stay stoned on your love all the time. I've looked for love in all the same old places. Found the bottom of a bottle's always dry. But when you poured out your heart, I didn't waste it. 'Cause there's nothing like your love to get me high. Yeah, you're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. Honey, I'll stay stoned on your love all the time. As smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm, as a glass of brandy. Honey, I'll stay stoned on your love all the time. Yeah. Smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. stay stoned on your love all the time. Thank you. Has anyone heard of Paolo Nutini? No? Well, I'm a massive fan, so I thought we'd do one of his now. Even though he hasn't released anything since 2012, I still love him.
We zullen het even ondertitelen voor de mensen die een beetje moeite hebben met Rachel's Engels. Ook als je het niet verstaat is het trouwens gewoon wel de moeite waard. Maar wat Rachel zei, ze is een grote fan van Paolo Nutini. Zeggen wij dan hier in Nederland. En iedereen die ukulele speelt, die speelt de liedjes van Paolo Nutini ook. Maar wij proberen ons ook even aan een van zijn nummers te vergrijpen. Dit nummer heet New Shoes.
I like to take my time. She's such a diva, that Rachel Croft. Woke up cold one Tuesday, looking tired and feeling quite sick. I felt like there was something missing in my day-to-day life. So I quickly opened the wardrobe, put out some jeans and a t-shirt that seemed clean, topped it off with a pair of old shoes that were ripped around the seams. I thought these shoes just don't suit me. Hey, I put some new shoes on, suddenly everything is right. I said, hey, I put some new shoes on, and everybody's smiling. It is so inviting. I am short on money, but long on time. Slowly strolling in the sweet sunshine, and I'm running late. I don't need an excuse, wearing my brand new shoes. Woke up late one Thursday, I'm seeing stars as I'm rubbing my eyes, and I felt like there were 2 days missing as I focused on the time. So I made my way to the kitchen, but I had to stop from the shock of what I found. A room full of all of our friends just dancing round and round. I thought, hello new shoes, bye-bye blues. Hey, I put some new shoes on, and suddenly everything is right. I said, hey, I put some new shoes on, everybody's smiling, it's so inviting. I am short on money, but long on time. Slowly strolling in the sweet sunshine, and I'm running late. I don't need an excuse, wearing my brand new shoes. Take me wandering through where bright lights and angels meet. Stone to stone they take me on. I'm walking till the break of dawn. I said, take me wandering through these streets where bright lights and angels meet. Stone to stone they take me on, and I'm walking till the break of dawn. Hey, I put some new shoes on and suddenly everything is right. Hey, I put some new shoes on, everybody's smiling, it's so inviting. I'm short on money, long on time, slowly strolling in the sweet sunshine, and I'm running late, I don't need an excuse. One more time. Hey, I put some new shoes on, certainly everything is right. I said, hey, I put some new shoes on and everybody's smiling, it's so inviting. I'm short of money but long on time, slowly strolling in the sweet sunshine, and I'm running late, I don't need an excuse. Wearing my brand new shoes, yeah, yeah.
Rachel has learned some Frisian.
Danke wel. Cheese, it's the same in the UK. It's pitying how bad I am, I'm really sorry. But danke wel for being here. I wanted to do another one of the songs that I wrote myself. And you need to know about me is that in my original music, I like to write songs about people I don't like. So I'm quite an angry musician, really. And this next song is about somebody who particularly wronged me. And it's that feeling of you go away from that and it sits there in you and you can't get it out, and it stays with you, and it's just, my song is about, after all this time, I still remember it. And I still don't forgive you, which is a horrible thing, and I should, but it makes a good song. I'm gonna make sure I'm in tune first, though. So this song is it's got a really lovely title. It's called I Still Hate You Just a Little Bit. Yeah, exactly. Do you want to translate that? Okay. So, this is my ode to the person who wronged me the worst in my life. Drove past City Farm last summer. These days looking that much smaller. Funny, what a new perspective can do. Went back to that part of the city where the realization hit me. Sometimes I still choke on the memory of you. And I see now you couldn't cope, but you well and truly fucked it up. Can't help it, I still hate you just a little bit. Ooh, no, just a little bit. Yeah. Did I make you sleepless, honey? What you do with all come where you bid me. No justice, but I guess I'll get over it. Take it, but you don't deserve it. My God, I really hope it was worth it. Just know that I still hate you. Just a little bit. I can't forget it. A little bit. Won't you regret it? A little bit. I won't forget it. One little bit. Thank you so much.
Gisteravond was het 4 mei, toen werd er herdacht. Wij zaten in de rare situatie dat Rachel Croft speciaal uit Engeland is overgevlogen om hier vanmiddag met ons te spelen. Dus wij hadden gisteren onze generale repetitie, maar midden repetitie. Laat ik het zo zeggen, het is de eerste repetitie die ik ooit heb gehad met 2 minuten stilte. En, maar hier zijn we.
There ain't no use to sit and wonder why. If you don't know by now. There ain't no use to sit and wonder why, babe. It'll never do somehow. When your rooster crows at the break of dawn, look out your window and I'll be gone. You're the reason I'm traveling on. Don't think twice, it's alright. And it ain't no use in turning on your light, babe. The light I never know. No, it ain't no use in turning on your light, babe. I'm on the dark side of the road. Still I wish that there was something you could do or say to try to make me change my mind and stay. But we never did that much talking anyway. Don't think twice, it's alright. And calling out my name, girl, like you've never done before. It ain't no use in calling out my name, girl, 'cause I can't hear you anymore. And I'm thinking, I'm wondering, traveling down the road. I once loved a woman, a child, I'm told. I gave her my heart, she wanted my soul. Don't think twice, it's alright. I don't mind. You just kind of wasted my precious time. Don't think twice, it's alright. So many lyrics.
That crazy Bob Dylan writing all those words.
We're going to do another Bob Dylan one now. But I didn't know it was a Bob Dylan song. No. Really cultured me.
Go away from my window, leave at your own chosen speed. I'm not the one you want, babe. I'm not the one you need. You say you're looking for someone and always strong to protect you and defend you, whether you are right or wrong. Someone to open each and every door, but it ain't me, babe. No, 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 it ain't me. It ain't me you're looking for, babe. You say you're looking for someone who'll promise never to part, someone to close his eyes for you, someone to close his heart, someone to die for you and more, but it ain't me, babe. No, 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 it ain't me. You say you're looking for someone to pick you up each time you fall, to gather flowers constantly, and to come each time you call, who will love you for your life and nothing more, but it ain't me, babe. No, 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 it ain't me. It ain't me you're looking for, babe. All right, should we do one more? Yeah?
You know, if you shout really loudly, we might do two more.
No, I'm not sure they want two more. Oké. Het was een eer voor ons om hier te spelen. Deze prachtige bevrijdingsdag. Wij doen nog even een nummer van The Band. Dit is The Wait.
But it has to be in tune. That's close enough. Pulled in Nazareth, I was feeling about half past dead. Just needed a place where I can lay my head. Hey, mister, can you tell me where a man might find a bed? He just grinned and shook my hand. No was all he said.
Take a load off Fanny, take a load for free. Take a load off Fanny. Yeah, put the load right on me. I picked up my bags and went looking for a place to hide. When I saw her coming and the devil walking side by side, I said, hey, come on, let's go downtown. She said, I gotta go, but my friend can stick around. Take a load off Fanny, take a load for free. Take a load off Fanny. Yeah, you put the load right on me. Rover, take it away.
Crazy just support me. They caught me in the fog. He said, I will fix your wreck if you take Jeff the dog. I said, wait a minute, Chester. No, I'm a peaceful man. Oh, he said, that's okay, boy. You just beat her and you can.
Take a load off Fanny. Take a load for free. Take a load off Fanny. Yeah, you put the load right on me. Go down, Moses, there's nothing that you can say. It's just old Luke and Luke's awaiting the judgment day. Well, Luke, my friend, what about young Annalee? He said, do me a favor, son, won't you stay and keep Annalee company? Take a load off Fanny, take a load for free. Take a load off Fanny. Yeah, you put the load right on me. Get your cannonball now to take me down the line. My bag is sinking low, and I do believe it's time to get back to Miss Fanny. You know she's the only one who sent me here with her regards for everyone. Take a load off Fanny, take a load for free.
Dank jullie wel. Tot ziens. Rachel Croft, Kentucky Snake Oil.